is the story of Arsal, a boy whose passion for machines was born long before he could even drive them. This is where the journey began. Even as a young kid, Arsal didn't look at toys, he looked at engines. He had a spark in his eyes that said, "One day, I will build something legendary." He spent his childhood wandering through piles of rust. To the world, it was junk. To Arsal, it was a playground of endless possibilities. They said it couldn't be done, but Arsal's spirit was stronger than their words. He picked up the tools and decided to chase his dream, no matter how hard the road. Inside the workshop, Arsal and his team fought against time, sparks, heat, and sweat. This is where a child's dream finally turns into a man's reality. The work is far from over. Arsal knows that every small part is as important as the engine itself. In this garage, perfection is the only standard we follow. Every great transformation starts inside the workshop. From cleaning the engine to every welding spark, it's all about hard work. Arsal knows that a strong engine is what makes the shine worth it. We don't just fix cars, we build their soul. A person's true success is not just money. It is the peace found after finishing a difficult journey. Today, as Arsal looks at this shining machine, he remembers every night the world doubted him. But today, he remains silent, and his hard work speaks for itself. In life, always remember, metal can rust, but a human's passion never will. There were many long nights and endless challenges, but Arsal's spirit never faded. The truth is, as long as a person keeps working hard, their dreams will never remain unfulfilled. If you have something old and broken that the world calls junk, remember, with true dedication and effort, anything can be brought back to life. You just have to believe in the process. Look at this incredible shine. The journey wasn't easy. First, we spent days sanding down the metal to perfection, followed by a solid white base coat. Then, we applied the deep red finish that you see glowing now. To top it all off, we fitted these premium alloy rims that completely transformed the car's look. This is the result of months of sweat, precision, and pure hard work. After months of endless hard work, the dream has finally become a living reality. This is not just a car. It is a masterpiece born from Arsal's passion. At Zung To Shine Garage, we don't just fix old metal. We give memories a second life and bring legends back to the road. If you loved Arsal's journey, show us some love. Please like the video, follow our page, and subscribe for more amazing transformations. Thank you for watching.